Gene, who is about to join us?
Deborah Burt, come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Hi, Deborah.
Hi.
And we want to see what we're going to bid on next.
A new fireplace. This is the Fire Drum 3, freestanding fireplace, architect design, heat efficiency of a refractory brick-lined fireplace in a steel shell.
You're the bidder, Deborah.
$485.
She says $485. What do you say, Diana?
Oh,
Your
me?
bid.
Oh, I'm sorry. What were the bids? I couldn't.
$485.
485. 400.
$400 even. Carolyn?
$700.
$700. Now you, Doris.
701.
$701. Actual retail price, $995. Doris, you did it with that $701. Hi, Doris. Listen, we're going to give you a whack at a whole bunch of prizes. Look.
First, a new hand mixer. The Presto Natural Grip Hand Mixer features 5-speed, plus a special vertical handle for mixing ease and convenience from Presto. Second, a new color TV. Zenith System 3 19-inch diagonal TV with computer space command remote control, tri-focus picture tube, dual speaker sound, and multi-cable channel capability. And that's not all. Because behind the doors, we also have a refrigerator freezer and a dune buggy. First, giant 22 cubic foot frost-free 3-door refrigerator freezer. Features 2 freezer compartments, exclusive deli tray, and cantilevered glass refrigerator shelves from White Westinghouse. And finally, a dune buggy with 1600cc dual port motor, porch driving lights, buggy with antenna and light chrome exhaust system, spoke wheels, and bright blue paint. And there they are, Bob.
Doris, you have a chance to win all 4 of them, beginning with a mixer. Now, you tell me the price of the mixer within $25 above or $25 below the actual retail price, and you win the mixer.
$35.
She says it is $35, and the actual retail price is $32, a difference of only $3, and you win that. Now, move her up to the color television, please. Doris, within $250 above or $250 below, what is the price of the color television?
$400.
$400, and that's $720, a difference of $320. Now, you're not through. You can't win the color television set, but may I have the books, please? Here are 2 autographed books. Ussens here on the show have signed them. You choose one. In one, it says Second Chance. If you choose the one that says Second Chance, you get to go on and try to win the refrigerator and the dune buggy.
I have to take red.
You take that one, open it up, and see if it says Second Chance back there after a few pages. After get by the autographs, and no second chance. I'm sorry, Doris.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. We're going to spin the big wheel for big money after we do a little business with you.